What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I've got a new project coming along. All three printers are going. Stay tuned and let's find out what I'm printing. Can you tell what it's going to be yet? Any ideas? I don't really like that red, by the way. It's kind of orangish, but it's all I had, so we'll use it. Anyone like Power Rangers? I do. Alright, now we get this off the print bed and get it assembled. One thing I don't like when using the organic supports is you can't use adaptive layer height, so I'm going to have to Bondo the top of the helmet before I paint it to get rid of the lines there. Stay tuned for priming, painting, and assembly.